All right, guys. So we're on our way to Krispy Kreme, our local Krispy Kreme, which our local Krispy Kreme is not even that local, to be honest. We kind of got to drive a bit because they kind of closed off the Krispy Kreme that was in our area.
Unfortunately.
So we're gonna be going there, and we're gonna be trying the Harry Potter.
Yeah, those Harry Potter like stuffed donuts. They look like not all of them stuff. At least I don't think so. Yeah, but we're gonna find it by the time we get them.
Either way, they're the Harry Potter themed donuts, so we're gonna be trying those.
All right, here it is, right here on the corner.
Okay, guys, and here we are pulling up at the Krispy Kreme. I did not know people order donuts this early in the morning, like this.
Good morning. Go ahead with your order.
Sure. Can I get the Harry Potter specialty dozen with sorting hat combo?
All right. Harry Potter dozen, one sorting hat. Is that all I get for you?
That's it. All right. Thank you.
Good morning. You
Good morning.
had a dozen and then the one?
Yes.
It'll be 26.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, we finally got our donuts. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Look at that. They got the Hogwarts and golden emblem. They did a lot of. You do the same. Here you go. I love these boxes. I love this box. It's really nice. All right, guys, we have the entire dozen for the Harry Potter themed Krispy Kreme donut collection. It looks like we have two of each. We have like two Slytherins, because we have two Slytherins. We have two Gryffindor, two Hufflepuff, and then we have some more of the just original right there. So that's pretty good. Okay.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
There's some sorting here right there. So this is the actual. This is supposed to be the donut sorting. I guess it's like a game in which you get sorted by the donuts. You know, I'm actually a Ravenclaw and Chris is a Slytherin.
Look at that. Look at that.
And look, it actually has stars on it, and it has the sorting hat. Let me turn it over here. Look at that. You see that? Have the sorting hat on it. So what I'm assuming how this works is like you bite into it, and it's probably going to have your house color inside of it. So that's pretty interesting. Okay, guys, I'm going to try it and see what I get sorted into. Even though I'm a proud member of Slytherin House. Have that. Look at that. Let's see what I become. Well, this is not a stuffed donut. Well, hold on. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's a stuffed donut? Yeah. So it's red inside. Okay. So it says, better be Gryffindor. That's kind of interesting. Like I said, that's pretty interesting. So even if you hadn't really taken the sorting hat ceremony, you still could come here and, you know, I guess for a limited time, you know, get yourself sorted and let the donut sort you. That's cool. So what's the flavor? This one is chocolate. So it's chocolate, like what does the inside flavor taste like? Is it like just cream, just colored? Yeah, let's see. Try a little bit. It's just cream, just colored. Okay, so it is just chocolate. You can give me some. Let me just get a piece. Oh, it's really nice. It looks messy. Let's give me a little bit. It's really good. Okay, so that is cream just covered, but it's still good. I'm gonna try my little sorting hat on there. Look at that. Isn't it cute? No. There we go. Yeah, we can see the sorted hat. So is that like, what is it? I'm assuming it's some kind of. It's like, is it like a hard frosting? Okay, so it is edible. Let me break a little bit of it. It's good though. Like one of those like it might be almost like a dry marshmallow. That's what it tastes like. It does taste like a marshmallow. You know, like a dry marshmallow. It's really good. And so now I'm gonna try my own house, since the sorting had put me in Gryffindor, and we still hate Gryffindor, so Slytherin House. Okay. Look at that. What's wrong with my Ravenclaw? It's so funny. It's kind of funny, like we're twins and yet we in different houses.
Oh, that's a good donut.
And the thing about it, it's not really that there's really that big a difference in just kind of like a regular frosted donut. What I love I love the novelty of it all. You know, it's good. It's a nice way to, you know, to kind of just bring back that Harry Potter magic.
Oh, through donuts.
Exactly, through donuts.
Even though technically speaking, these really do seem like if we, like you could get these at Universal Studios.
Exactly, they do seem like something Universal will have.
And those are really good.
These are really good.
And I love the attention to detail they did when it comes to the shields.
Right. Just those emblems, they look really nice.
This is the Gryffindor one. Look like it has some kind of little graham crackers or something on there. So it looks really nice. Let's take a bite. I'm not sure. Is that vanilla cream? This is something. I can't really. I think it is vanilla cream. It's really tasty. Very nice. Okay, so now this is the Hufflepuff one. Let's get this one a bite. It's gotta be stuffed with something. It seems like it's stuffed with something, but I'm trying to get into the stuffing. Let's see. Okay. There we are. Yeah. I think this is a vanilla cream. Very nice. If you love stuffed donuts, this will be perfect for you. But I don't know. I think this box is mostly for the nostalgia of it all, to be honest. Because I don't see these donuts being any different than what you would normally get on a daily basis, to be honest. But very nice. Yeah. I gotta admit, this is a really good donut box. Yeah, you gotta definitely want to go and try these out. Yeah, even if you don't like them for them being different donuts, I think you still would like them just for the novelty of it all. But yeah, this has been our video. You have a great one. You guys have a great one. I'll see you guys on the next one.